Namaste my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 2 subject maths chapter number 3 numbers up to 1000. This is the 12th and final session on this chapter. Today let us answer the questions in revision exercise of this chapter. Question number 1. Write in expanded form. Here the numbers are given. We should write the expanded forms of these numbers. A 264. The expanded form of this number 264 is 200 plus 60 plus 4. The place value of 2 is 200, place value of 6 is 60, and the place value of 4 is 4. So if we write the given number in the form of sum of the place values of each digits, we will get the expanded form. Or in other way, as we read, so you write. As we read this number 264, write 264 with plus in between these. So expanded form of the number 264 is equal to 200 plus 60 plus 4. B 508. Expanded form is 500 plus 0 plus 8. There is a 0 in tens place, so we have written 0 as second term here. Coming to C 651. Expanded form is 600 plus 50 plus 1. D 782. Expanded form is 700 plus 80 plus 2. E 940. Expanded form is 900 plus 40 plus 0. There is 0 in ones place. F 867. Expanded form is 800 plus 60 plus 7. Question number 2. Write the number names. Here the numerals are given. We have to write the corresponding number names. So what is the number name of this numeral? 270. Yes, it is 270. We have to write 270 as the number name of this numeral. B 314. Number name is 314. This is how you read this number. This is 508. D 624. How this number is read? This number is read as 624, which is the number name of this number. E 899. The number name is 899. Right? 899 in front of this. Write all these number names neatly with correct spellings. Question number 3. Write the missing numbers. So in each of these questions, two numbers are printed in each of the rows and we have to write the missing numbers. So here we have 195 and at the end here we see 204. That means we have to write the next numbers. So after 195, which number we have? So we have 196. So write 196. After this, which number comes? 197. And then 198. 199 is to be written here. After 199, so we get 200. write 200 here, and here 201, 202, 203 here. So this completes question A. So coming to B, we have 481. The next number will be 482, and then 483, 484, 485, 486, 487, 488, 489, and 490 is given here. Likewise, complete these also by filling the numbers in these boxes. The number before 797 is 796, and thereafter you should write the number that comes next, 798, 799, 800, 801, 802, 803, 804, and 805. Coming to D, the number just before 601 is 600, and after 601 you will get 602, and then 603, 604, 605, 606, 607, 608, and finally 609. So by writing all these numbers, complete this question. Question number 4, fill in the boxes using is less than, is greater than, or is equal to symbol. A, 357, 257. So 357 is greater than 257. B, 48, 480. So 48 is a 2-digit number, so it is less than a 3-digit number. 48 is less than 480. C, 561, 561. So equal. 561 is equal to 561. Both are same numbers. D, 930 and 391. Which is greater? 930 is greater than 390. So you should put greater than symbol here. E, 468 is less than 648. F, 789 is less than 987. G, 687 is equal to 687. H, 245 is greater than 240. I, 179 is less than 189. So you should write these symbols appropriately to complete question number 4. Coming to question number 5, arrange in ascending order. The numbers are given here. We have to write these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means writing the smallest number first, and we should go on writing the numbers which are greater than the number we have written in the increasing order. So among these numbers we have 2-digit number 39, which is smallest, which will come in first place here, 39. So leaving this, if you compare remaining 4 numbers, and if you look at the digits at hundreds place, here we have 6, 7, 3, 9. So 3 is smallest, so 354 comes in the second box here. So leaving this, compare these 3 numbers now, 978, 789 and 650. At hundreds places we have 6, 7 and 9. 6 is small, therefore 650 is written here. And comparing 978 and 789, 789 with the 7 in hundreds place is the smallest among these two. So it will be written in the 4th box here. And finally the remaining number 978 in the last and 5th box here. Similarly, arrange these numbers also from smallest to greatest to obtain ascending order. So 87 will be in the first box, and then 185 in the second box. And looking at this, yes, we have 496, which will be in third box. You should look at the digits at hundreds place to compare. compare these two numbers. We have 6 in hundreds place here, 7 here, so it will be the next smallest number. So it will be in 600. 609 is in the fourth box here, and finally 790 is written in this box. 790. So we have arranged the given numbers in ascending order, which is also called as increasing order. Question number 6, arrange in descending order. So now we have to write the numbers from greatest to smallest. First search for the greatest number here. In the hundreds place we have 5 here, 7 here, we have 6 here, we have 8. So this is greatest number, 809. Write in the first box here. And leaving this number, compare remaining numbers. Compare the digits at hundreds place, 5, 7 and 6. Which is greatest? 5, 7, 6. 7 is greatest. So 750 will come to the second box here. Yes, now comparing the remaining three numbers, 568, 90 and 607. So 90 being a two-digit number is the smallest among all the given numbers, which will go to the last box here. Now leaving this, comparing 568 and 607. 607 is the greatest number, which will come to the third box here. 607. And then 568 in the fourth box. And after that, the smallest number is 90, which will come to the last box here. So now we have arranged the given numbers in descending order. Similarly, arrange these numbers also in descending order. The greatest among these numbers is 830 with 8 in hundreds place, which will come to the first box here. And leaving this, if you look at the remaining numbers, we have 739 with 7 in hundreds place, which will come to the second box. And leaving these two numbers, looking at the remaining three numbers, we have 408 with the 4 in hundreds place, which is greater compared to 2, and anyhow 65 is a two-digit number, which is the smallest, which comes to the last box there. So when we compare these 408 and 235, so 408 is the largest, so it will come to the third box here. And after that 235 will come to the fourth place here, and the remaining two-digit number 65, which is smallest, comes to the last box here. So this is how you can arrange the given numbers in descending order. Question number 7, form the greatest and the smallest three-digit numbers using the given digits. So in the first column we will write the greatest numbers, and in the second column we will write the smallest numbers. Using 175, the greatest number that can be formed is writing the given digits in decreasing order, that is the first 7 and then 5 and then 1. 751 is the greatest number, 751. And the smallest number will be writing digits in ascending order, 157, which is 157 is the smallest number. B, 629, forming greatest number, it is 962, 962. And writing the smallest number, we will arrange the given digits in ascending order, writing 2 first, then 6 and then 9. We get 269. 269 is the smallest number. And here we have 0, 4, 8. The greatest number will be 840. And to form the smallest number, we remember that 0 should not be at greatest place. So we should write 4 first, and then 0 and then 8. So the number is 408 is the smallest number that can be formed using these digits. Question number 8, match the following. A, the smallest three-digit number. The smallest three-digit number is 100. So match these two by drawing a line like this. The greatest single-digit number is 9, and match these two. C, The smallest two-digit number is 10 and draw a line to match these two. The greatest three-digit number is 999, so you should draw a line to match those. The greatest two-digit number is 99, draw a line and match. So all these are discussed in the chapter and we know all these facts. So read these statements and appropriately match the given numbers in the other column. So mental maths. So these questions are to be answered using your mind, using your brain. Think and give answer. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. 67 is equal to 6 tens and 7 ones or dash ones. 67 has 6 tens and 7 ones, or we may write 67 as just 67 ones. There are 67 ones in the number 67. Question number 2. 23 is equal to dash hundreds, dash tens and dash ones. See, 23 is a two-digit number. It is not having any digit in hundreds place. Therefore, how many hundreds it has? It has no hundreds, or we may say the number 23 has 0 hundreds. It is having 0 hundreds. And how many tens it has? Since we have 2 in tens place, it has 2 tens. Write 2 in this box. 2 here. And dash ones. How many ones it has? It has 3 ones. Write 3 in this blank space. Question number 3. Here we have a number pattern. Observe this. Here we have 110 and then we have 210, 310. Observe these numbers. 110, 210, 310. So these numbers are written in jumps of hundreds. So 210 is 100 more than 110 and 310 is 100 more than 210. So to obtain this number, you have to add 100 to the 310. So what you get if you add 100 to 310? You will get 410. And when you add 100 to 410, you will get 510. Adding 100 to 510, you will get 610. Again adding 100 to 610, you will get 710. And the next numbers are 810 and 910. So like this, you can complete this number pattern. Question number 4. 10 more than 754 is. So adding 10 to 754, you will get 764. So write 764 in that space. Question number 5. 369 is 10 less than dash. So 369 is 10 less than 379. That means if you subtract 10 from 379, you will get 369 as difference. So here we have higher order thinking type questions. We have 2 questions here, question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 is, a number has 3 in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. Which is the number that is 10 less than this number. So here the number given in the first statement or first sentence is a number has 3 in hundreds place. Let us write as it is instructed there. Uh, 3 is in hundreds place of the given number and 4 is in tens place. So there is 4 in tens place and 0 in the ones place. The resulting number is 340. Further in the question what is asked is, which is the number that is 10 less than this number? So to fill this blank, what we should do is, we should find a number which is 10 less than the given number here. That means we have to subtract 10 from this number. So 340 minus 10. What you get? Yes, the number will be 330. So you should write 330 in this blank space here. 330 is the answer for this question. Question number 2. Write the number represented below. See here. So how many hundreds are there? So each of these panel of bits represents 100. So therefore we have two such panels. So this represents 2 hundreds. So how many hundreds? It has 2 hundreds. And these line of beats, in each line there will be 10 beats. So each of these represents 110. So how many tens we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See here, I will write above here, we have 12 tens. 12 tens. How many hundreds we had here? We have 2 hundreds. Here we have ones, single beats. Let us count how many ones are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18 ones. 18 ones. So what we now do is, look here. Here we have, I will write here, we have 2 hundreds and we have 12 tens here and we have 18 ones. So the number represented by these beads cannot be written as shown here. We cannot simply go on writing 2, 1, 2, 1, 8. So before writing the resulting number, we need to regroup. Here we have 18 ones. So we need to regroup 18 as, so I will show here. So we have to regroup this 18 as 110 and 8 ones. And we have to regroup 12 tens as, these are 18 ones. And I will regroup this 12 tens as 100 and 2 tens. So this 100 has to be written in hundreds place. So here we had 2 hundreds. Here we had 2 hundreds, and on regrouping this 12 tens as 102 tens, so 100 should be added to the hundreds. It becomes 300s. So it becomes 3 hundreds. So I will write 3 in the hundreds place here. So when we regroup 18 ones as 110 and 8 ones, so 110 should be added to the tens we had here. So after regrouping, 100 is written in sent to the hundreds place. So we had two tens, and adding 110 to the two tens, we get 3 tens. We get 3 tens. I will write 3 here. And after uh, sending these 110 to the tens place, there are 8 ones remaining in ones place. So the number will be 338. So like this, you have to understand the regrouping, and you have to write the required number here. So I will explain once again. So here we have two hundreds, and since we have 12 tens here, the 10 tens can be combined or made 100. Look here. So here we have 10 tens. So keeping these together makes one panel of hundreds. So this will make 100, and that 100 can be sent here to the hundreds place. So in total it becomes 300s. 200s plus 100 will become 300s here. So this number is having 300, so I am writing 3 in the hundreds place here. And we are left with two tens here. Look here, we have two tens, and here we have 18 ones. In the ones place we have 18 ones. So in these 18 ones, we can combine 10 ones and we make 110, and 110 can be sent to, so these we have 9 beads here. Look here, I will mark with the circle 9 ones, and I will take this one, it will make 10. So these 10 beads can be made as 110, and after sending 110 to the hundreds, 10 tens to the hundreds place, here we are left with only two tens. Two tens plus these 110 together, so two tens plus 1 becomes 3 tens. So I am writing 3 in tens place here. After sending these 10 beads to the tens place, how many beads are left over here? So there are 8 beads left over here. So the digit at ones place is 8. So the required number, or number represented by these beads given here, is 338. Now let me write the required answers for this. So how many hundreds are here? Let me write 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds are here, and there are 12 tens. 12 tens are here, and we have 18 ones. Let me write 18 here. So 2 hundreds, 12 tens, and 18 ones. After regrouping, the resulting number is 338. So I hope you understood how the regrouping should be done here to get the required number. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned all the questions discussed in this exercise. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.